Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So here you can see, try again later on your Instagram problem. So how can you fix it? So first thing, you just try to close your app and open again and just do this action again. So if it doesn't help you, if you still receive this error, so you can also just try another way. So just try to try to wait some time, because mostly it's temporary block and this action will be unblocked, but you need to wait some time. And if you still have the server, so just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to try to change your network. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data, turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. And if you use mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on Wi-Fi. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.